with the burglary charge. Jamie White's still with us. And Jamie, this was something that you were interested in hearing, whether or not there would be lesser includeds related to the burglary. How does that change what you would think we're going to hear in just a few minutes from both the state and the defense in their closings?
Yeah, so it's no surprise, both sides would have had to have agreed to not have the lesser includeds there. There would have been a calculated risk, I suppose, and so there's no shocker that we have them. I do think it's bad for the prosecution. The evidence here, certainly this gentleman is dead, and he certainly is dead at the hands of the defendant, but there is really no evidence that he intended to kill this man. In fact, I would even go so far to say that the behavior has been described in testimony doesn't go so far to be that reckless disregard for life. I mean, I do think this was your classic angry boyfriend enraged that ended up in a fight. So I think I will be shocked to see this jury come back, with a felony murder charge. Segueing into the second piece, the burglary. I think that's a bridge too far for reasonable people under these circumstances. The trespass makes sense, but trespass doesn't lead to felony murder. So I think the prosecution is in trouble. I think that at the end of the day, we're going to see that the defendant probably made the right decision in turning down the manslaughter charge, in the sense that that's probably what he's dealing with anyway. We'll see.
All right. Jamie White, thanks for your expertise this morning. Let's get back into the courtroom and listen to to Judge Ward finishing up the